欢迎乡亲继续收看《华视台语新闻杂志》。推动循环经济，和废弃物再生利用，是目前国际上正咧注意的环保的趋势。有一间世界级的连锁家具业的龙头，48个国家，总共有400间的门市。因就发挥创意，就为地中海搞出来的海洋废弃物，加上陆地上的农业废弃物，譬如稻草等等。 甲因总摕来发展做再生的材质，然后做成各种的家饰家用品。随着全球都市化发展，伊嘛甲建筑师事务所来合作，提出着城市村庄的计划，设计出会当凹翘收纳的家具，互居家的空间会当稍当改变。所以，就算住伫真下的空间，嘛会当兼顾着生活机能。
干地啊，枕头布甲倒巾几何造型，斗出喜爱的外形，青色甲蓝色代表大海，简单大方的设计，充满着真高的海洋元素。你一定想袂到，这个商品的材料并不是普通的布料，因拢是由地中海回收的海洋塑胶废弃物所做的。
Make people more conscious about the big problem that we have in the oceans today. So mainly we want to show that problem. Maybe we want to tell people we have a big problem. Our oceans are full of waste. So this is like a statement collection. So that's the main idea.
海洋粪扫变成真水的装饰品，100%回收的塑胶纤维，材质绑起来真粗，优点是防水效果真好。华视新闻杂志到瑞典参加全世界上大家具的零售商2019年度发表会，看业者安怎带头做环保。 企业甲渔民甲西班牙环境组织合作，推动捡海洋粪扫行动。数字发现讲，所有捡到的海味内面，平均10公斤到1公斤是塑胶料。分类清洗回收，会使由机器做成细线甲制品。其他9公斤的废弃物，嘛会使做伙带离开海洋。
Llevo toda la vida en el mar, más de 40 años. Soy la cuarta generación de pescadores. Desde los principios ahora ha cambiado la cosa porque cada vez cogemos más plásticos y basura humana. Hay zonas cerca de la costa donde podemos llegar a coger la misma cantidad de plásticos que de pescado. Esto evidentemente supone un problema para el ecosistema y un problema para nuestra economía. Y ver que este proyecto hace que el trabajo que nosotros hacemos de recoger sirve para algo y se le puede dar una nueva vida, esto nos satisface.
透过行动，希望正视全世界面临的危机。海会唔但危害生物、污染生态，佫会互人食落腹肚底。专家估计2050年，海洋中的塑胶会比鱼啊佫较济。因个重要概念是，塑胶并不是十恶不赦，免我避免污备用，并且推动循环再生是当前最大的考验。
The European Union is going to ban certain types of single-use plastic and also put charges on other single-use plastic. So there's definitely a movement in Europe and in other parts of the world to minimize the use of single-use products. But plastic as just general material, I don't see that that's being banned in any way. The first step was phasing out single-use plastic products, and the second step was creating a demand for ocean-bound plastic, so we can put it into our products and use that material and prevent it going into our oceans.
为了唤起大众对海洋问题关心，全世界家具龙头领先宣布，2030年前，所有的塑胶制品将会全部拢用回收再生塑料，并且在2020年，全球门市将停卖停用100的塑胶产品，包括树管、链条啊等等。像纸杯内面寄水的材料，将用糖衣代替塑胶薄膜。
If we take a straw, for example, we will, to start with, replace the plastic straw with quite a simple paper straw. But there are so many other things out there. There's, for example, bamboo straws, glass straws, metal straws that are reusable. There's also pasta straws, so you can your straw after drinking your drink. So there's lots out there. So we're on a kind of constant journey to really keep trying to identify what are the more sustainable alternative solutions that we can replace our single-use plastics with.
为永续发展尽力，实践永续生活，商品创新设计，嘛甲守护环境的理念合作伙。
I can stay away from smoking. I can stay away from drinking. I can do all of these preventative measures, but I can't do that with the air.
A moje dziecko i jakby ten temat jest dla mnie ważny, bo chciałbym, żeby oddychało i żyło w zdrowym środowisku, żeby nie musiało oddychać zanieczyszczonym powietrzem.
世界卫生组织伫2018年列出全世界10大空污的都市，北印度就占9个。上较关键的因素就是受稻草等等农产废气物。为了解决全世界最大的环境毒瘤，企业决定替稻草找出路。
Because there's a really short window between the harvest cycles in the winter and summer, and so farmers have no other choice but to burn it. It's about solving an environmental challenge and solving a health challenge as well, because when we prevent this rice straw from being burnt by putting it into our materials, we prevent some of the air pollution from happening. We prevent some of these open fires that contribute to climate change, to lung disease, to heart disease. So it's about the environment and health as well.
有真大可塑性的稻草，好拗好编织，嘛会使拍浆搁制作。设计师将废弃材料再利用，将稻草转变新型的可再生的材料，变做会使垫物件、碗盘甲涂骹珠啊，唔但会使有效减少空气污染，嘛会使为当地创造就业机会。优先环境，连企业的食品拢定出永续方针。 为了降低畜牧业庞大的碳排放量，上个受欢迎的水电肉圆将变为素肉圆。
It's a lot more sustainable. It's about 10% of the CO2 footprint compared to meat, and more or less, the same values in health-wise as the meat ball. A little bit healthier, more fiber than the meatball. So yeah, definitely better for the environment.
用食物蛋白质代替肉品，素肉丸啊食起来口感差不多甲真正的肉类无啥物差别，属健康又搁对地球环境甲气候加分。除了对抗环境污染，为2009年开始，全世界的家具龙头嘛开1亿5千万的欧元，差不多是新台币52亿。伫做各项再生能源的发展，2019年更加头一摆甲社会企业合作，开发太阳能的吊灯。
The project that we do with Little Sun, it's about having a solar panel, whether it can be indoor or outdoor. But solar panels aren't the most beautiful products. So actually what we're really trying to do is actually bring beauty into the home. And that's why it's really fascinating working with Ólafur Eliasson, how we can make these products beautiful. And then the solar panel will be connected to a charging station. So you then harvest the energy. And then those little pucks, they can actually then be used as simple lights, charging stations for charging things, but also they are lights that you can put in a beautiful pendant or a table thing to create beautiful light in your home.
设计概念为本来粗形简单的日头花，到最后的版本设计成球形加上像，你是形成规则的金属骨架，造型真前卫，真有现代感，好力能会使行入一般民众的厝内，更加伫每一个家庭创造一个小小发电厂。 依照联合国统计，2050年全世界将有2%的人口，差不多是50亿个人，伫都市争取居住权。现代人伫大都市面对一日起的厝价愈来愈矮的生存空间，面对这严重的问题，应该安怎解决？
在这个房间里面，我们看到小空间最聪明的应用，一个按钮就可以把客厅变成卧室。
就算厝真细间，嘛要带到有品质，和家具刷顶当的秘密武器，就是这个控制面板。伊会使控制轨道，像这个差不多7平大的小空间，利用会使刷顶当的设计，和面床、碰椅、甲三图卡妙的组合。概念就是将这家具会使塔收起来，会使有较大的空间。
And of course, there's been a lot of concepts from architecture around transformable spaces. The problem is that all of those technologies tend to be very manual, so they require a lot of work. In order to transform from bedroom to living room, you have to go through like 20 steps. you have to do this and that, and then people stop transforming the space. So we are making it so that it's basically just a finger touch, you know, and it transforms. And also we are making it in a way that is very scalable, and because it's so scalable, that's why we could collaborate so well with IKEA, because what we did is we took our robotic kind of chassis and then we put IKEA's furniture on top. So it's very modular, because you could take that furniture out and put a different type of furniture.
未来之家雏形，予一般人充满想象。家具公司更加提出都市村庄的创新计划，规个居住空间建筑设计以4正简单开放为原则，每一个社区有真悬比例公共空间，居民更加会使化身成为都市农夫，伫楼尾顶耕种，达成部分的自给自足。
It's clear we need to rethink how we design, build, finance and share our future homes, products and home furnishing solutions, neighbourhoods and cities. Otherwise, our cities will become increasingly unsustainable, unaffordable and unequal for the people who live in them. We'll explore future living and neighbourhood design to create a better everyday life for people in growing urban communities.
可居住性、永续性、甲人人负担会起，这是打造未来居家的3大目标。为产品的原料、能源的使用到循环经济，跨国企业不断推出创新实验。唔那是刺激销售的步数，是持续扩大永续概念的应用，甲人类生活密切的结合，甲大自然和平斗阵，保护地球、守护环境。远伫北欧看全世界，画出未来生活的新样貌。